Hi YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, to Jay's World. Today I have an unboxing I want to share with you guys, and I kept looking at the box over at the door and I kept saying, do I just want to open the box? I just want to open the box and I just want to look at it. And I said, no, I want to do an unboxing video. I haven't been on YouTube for quite a while. So, and I know that I like watching unboxing videos of the Dooney Bourkes. So I figured I'd do an unboxing today because I've been looking forward to seeing this item. I got it on Overstock. It was on sale. They had an extra 18% off the sale price. But since then, I have looked and I see that they have raised the price of the bag. Um, I guess to coincide with the other ones, because I Love Dooney sells through Overstock. However, Overstock has more sales than I Love Dooney and Dooney and Bourke when it comes to those bags. What I mean to say is they run, I think the average amount they take off is 12%. And sometimes you're doing good if they send you a coupon for 15%, 17%, or 18%. And sometimes you can get lucky and get 20% off, no matter if it's on sale or what. But what I'm noticing that they're doing is they're adjusting the prices. I guess they're I Love Dooney is controlling that, I believe, adjusting the prices, making them higher, and then they offer the coupon, and now they're only allowing select merchandise to for the coupon to be applied. If you hear that noise in the background, that's the lawnmower. I'm sorry about that noise. Anyway, enough of that. This is where I got the bag from. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. So let's get started. Okay, now what I noticed when I was tracking this bag, it was actually sent directly from Dooney and Bourke. It wasn't mailed from I Love Dooney. It was mailed directly from Dooney and Bourke. So let's see what's in here. Careful. These boxes are sometimes wonky. I don't know how they get by with selling these purses the way they ship them sometimes in these rinky boxes. Alrighty. Got the packing slip. Okay. Everything is good. Alrighty. Now here's what it is. Let's see. I'm gonna do the I'm just excited. I'm sorry guys. Can't hardly even talk. Okay. I'm hoping I'm hoping I'm gonna love this bag. Let's see. Okay. It is the Cooperhobo, the Bordeaux color, in Florentine leather. Oh, I'm falling in love with Florentine leather. I used to be, well, I'm still a pebble leather girl. Let's look and see. I have this one in pebbled leather as well. And here she is. Ooh. She smells good. Oh, wow. I think I love it. Oh, I have to take the plastic off. She is a nice, she's a beauty. Look at that. She looks like she's truly a burgundy bag. I have been looking for burgundy for years. I always like to have a burgundy bag in my collection. I used to have a patent leather um, designer inspired Yves Saint Laurent um, bag. It was burgundy. Wore it with everything. Everything. That's my favorite color. And it's very hard to find a deep, true, rich, luxe looking bag that's in burgundy sometimes. You know, I found a drawstring bag on Amazon and it's just not the same. It'll do casually, but it has feet. Is that gold tone? Yeah, it's like a gold tone. And the stitching. I don't think that's white. Let's see. Turn this light on a little bit better. You see? I don't know if you can see better. It doesn't look like you can see too much better on the with the light up. This is a really nice bag. Now, the only thing with the Cooper, I wish they had a zipper, but it still works. The magnetic thing is, oh, this is a snap. It has the lining. Oh, it's pretty. I'm going to take the stuffing out. What I've been doing is I've been working on my bags. You know, when you put your bags up, you know, we stuff them so that they can hold their shape. We stuff them so they can hold their shape. So what I've been doing is, because I used to just have the stuffing in the bag. Now what I do is I take the plastic that the bag came in and I put the stuffing in it and then I put it in the bag. So when I go to change my bags up, I don't have all this stuffing everywhere and, you know, it's like a chore to change out your bag. So it's so much easier when you have the plastic bag filled with the stuffing and you just pull it out and then you put it in this duster bag and put that up until you're ready to put the bag up. So that's what I found for myself to be so much easier. Well, here's the strap. You can adjust the strap here. This is really smooth. As I'm touching it, it's soft. It's not hard, but still structured. It has the two pockets. That interlap inside. And as I already pointed out, the green leather, the green suede that they normally put on the Florentine bags. The only Florentine bag that I don't have the green suede is the Florentine logo lock bag. That doesn't have the green suede, but it does have the red lining. So it has the standard Dooney setup. This bag, I'm loving her. Yes, I'm loving her. I will be wearing this. Oh yeah. Okay, so I did get something else to go with her. And it is the the Kiss Lock. I think that's what they call it. Wallet. I'm not such a fan of this wallet. However, it's something about this Florentine look for this wallet that I am drawn to. This is so pretty. And it's the same color Bordeaux. Originally $68. I think I got this for $30. It was on sale for $51. And I got 18% off of that. My mom loves this style wallet. Of course, it has this credit card slots. 1, 2, 3 on this side. And 1, 2, 3 on the other. This is soft like that purse. Oh my God, this Florentine it's so nice. It has the Dooney Bourke on the front. As does her companion. Okay, guys. I don't know what else I could say about her. Let's see. She was $229 on sale. Let me put this here. She is originally retailed at $388. If you can see, $388. It was on sale for $229 with the additional 18% off. So I think she's now $291 or something like that. All the other colors were more expensive than the burgundy, which I thought that was a little strange. But this is her. This is my new Florentine Cooperhobo in the color Bordeaux. All right, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I'd like to thank all my subscribers for subscribing and being patient with me. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you like to subscribe to my channel, you can hit the subscribe button down below. And if you want to see other videos that I post, when I post, you can hit the bell so you can get the notification when I do my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.